What if there was a project out there where you could stake a bunch of your favorite meme coins into a meme vault and make a shit ton of passive income? Well, that project now exists with a new kid on the block, but it's actually performed pretty well. It's not a random shitcoin. This is a project that has raised almost $3 million in the pre-sale phase. Pretty good if you ask me. Let's talk about Crypto All-Stars. Join the first ever meme vault. Buy and stake stars in, that says pre-sale, but the cloud's blocking it, pre-sale to earn max reward. So this is every top meme coin under one roof, a revolutionary meme vault protocol, sorry, and you can earn insane rewards for stars holders. So this is actually pretty sick. So we're going to break down what exactly this project has to offer. But guys, listen, hit the subscribe button and let's get right into this. I'm going to leave a link to this down below so you guys can actually go ahead and buy this. You guys can buy this with a card, right? Or you could buy this with crypto. You can use Wallet Connect, Best Wallet, MetaMask, whatever you want to do, and you guys can figure it out. Okay, cool. Now, let's take a look at this, guys. So the meme vault ecosystem powered by stars. So this is the world's first unified staking, right? So in short, all top meme coin holders worldwide are brought together under a single umbrella to stake their tokens, incentivized and rewarded for holding stars, right? Now, the stars token is the lifeblood of the platform. We can see it's secure and transparent, and there is massive rewards potential. Massive. Okay, cool. Now, simply by holding the stars tokens, meme coin vaulters are massively rewarded. So additionally, to further incentivize positive market momentum for stars and the use of meme vault platform, the more stars you hold, the greater your rewards. This is obviously huge because this is going to be a massive exposure because of all the other meme coins that are involved in this project, guys. Now, let's take a look at some more information here. So the roadmap, this is where things get interesting, okay? So, number one is going to be the pre-sale. Guys, I need some water. I'm still sick, by the way. I'm still sick, nose is stuffy, throat is itchy, body's weak, mom's spaghetti. Now, anyways, pre-sale. The first stage in the Crypto All-Stars global domination plan is pre-sale and staking, right? So if you guys see there's staking, we can actually take a look at it right now, actually. I don't know, we'll get back to it. I will look at it now. So the staking, guys, we can see right now 538% per annum. So if you guys want to get involved, make some passive income on a project that is most likely going to pump after the launch, this is the project for you guys. 538% passive income, okay? Now, if you guys want to get involved, like I said, link down below. Then they're going to be launching the token. So, excuse me, on launch, token holders from all the world's top meme coins will be frantically buying stars so they can multiply their bags prior to the meme vault going live. The more stars you hold, the more you can stake to earn in the meme vault. Then you're going to be unlocking the vault. Every whale and small investor from every major meme coin will be in the house as Crypto All-Stars launches its revolutionary meme vault network. Pretty fire. Now, here's the tokenomics, guys. 20% is going to be going into the pre-sale, 25% into pre-sale staking, 20% into marketing, 10% into centralized and decentralized exchanges, this is for liquidity pools, and 25% into the meme vault ecosystem. Pretty cool. Now, if you guys don't understand what the meme vault is, guys, more or less, we'll break it down, okay? It's a revolutionary staking contract developed by Crypto All-Stars that allows all top meme coins to be staked on a single platform. This brings the entire crypto space together as stars holders, right? Pretty cool. So, in terms of which meme coins are allowed right now, it's Pepe, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Floki Inu, Based Brat, Mog, Milady, Turbo, Toshi the Cat, Cock Inu, and Bonk Coin as well. Pretty interesting because these are all on multiple chains. So I wonder how they're going to do this. It looks pretty cool if I do say so myself. Now guys, like I said, I'm going to put a link to this down below in the description so you guys can go ahead and check it out. But guys, that is it for today's video. I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, remember, stay seeking success.